What if I told you the average SUV now costs nearly $10,000 a year just to keep on the road? Between predatory shop rates and skyrocketing insurance, most modern cars are financial black holes. But here's the secret the dealerships don't want you to know. There's a handful of SUVs that refuse to die. I'm talking about machines that quietly cruise past 400,000, even 500,000 miles with nothing more than basic oil and filters. Today, we're counting down 9 smart SUVs that protect your net worth. I'll show you which ones are savings accounts on wheels, and which 2 popular models will drain your bank account faster than a bad stock pick. If you want to buy once and drive forever, let's dive in. 9. Subaru Outback, the utility king. In the 90s, wagons were for groceries. Then Subaru added rugged cladding and symmetrical all-wheel drive. And the crossover was born. The payoff. Most Outbacks sail past 200,000 miles easily. I've seen well-maintained units hit 300,000 without breaking a sweat. The financial hack. Insurance companies love these. Their top Safety Pick Plus ratings mean lower monthly premiums for you. Pro tip: look for a 2020 model. It's the Goldilocks year. Modern tech and rock-solid reliability without the new car depreciation hit. 8. Toyota RAV4, the gold standard. There's a reason this is the best-selling SUV in America. It's essentially an appliance that never breaks. The equity play. A RAV4 isn't just a car, it's a liquid asset. Because they regularly hit 300,000 miles, they hold their value better than almost anything on the road. The bottom line. You might pay a bit more up front, but you'll get it all back when you sell. It's like a savings bond with a 2.5-litre engine. 7. Acura RDX, the stealth wealth. Choice: want a BMW experience without the $5,000 repair bills? Meet the RDX. The secret. From 2013 to 2018, the RDX used the Honda Pilot's bulletproof V6 and transmission. It's a Honda in a tuxedo. The depreciation hack. You can often find a used RDX for less than a RAV4, yet you're getting leather, better soundproofing, and luxury tech. 6. Hyundai Santa Fe, the warranty warrior. A decade ago, I wouldn't have put Hyundai on this list. Today, they've rewritten the script. Peace of mind. Their 10-year/100,000-mile warranty is basically an insurance policy against stress. Real world. Owners are routinely crossing the 200,000 mark. It's the perfect blend of modern features and set-it-and-forget-it reliability. 5. Lexus LX, the armored tank. Underneath the polished wood and soft leather, this is a Toyota Land Cruiser. These are legendary in the world's harshest climates for lasting 500,000 miles. The trade-off. Yes, it's thirsty, 15 miles per gallon, but while your neighbor is spending $3,000 to fix their Mercedes air suspension, your LX is just asking for an oil change. Investment grade. These don't just hold value, they appreciate when the market gets tight. If you're finding this helpful, smash that like button. It tells the algorithm we need more reliable cars on the road. Up next, the SUV that proves Japanese engineering is still unbeatable. 4. Mazda CX-5. Style meets substance. Most reliable SUVs feel like driving a toaster. The CX-5 actually feels like a driver's car. The mechanical edge. Mazda skipped the flimsy CVT transmissions most rivals use and stuck with a robust 6-speed automatic. That choice alone saves you thousands in long-term repairs. Reliability score. With a 4.5 out of 5 from RepairPal, it's the thinking person's luxury SUV. 3. Subaru Forester. The Perfectionist Consumer Reports gave this a 98 out of 100 for reliability. That's as close to a perfect score as you'll ever see in the industry. The myth. People worry about Subaru CVTs. The truth? They fixed the issues years ago. Change the fluid every 30,000 miles, and this car will outlive your mortgage. 2. Honda CR-V, the legend. The CR-V and RAV4 have been in a 20-year fistfight for the top spot. Right now, the CR-V's handling and 30 miles per gallon give it the edge. Longevity. We are seeing second-generation CR-Vs hitting 500,000 miles on original engines. It's not just a car, it's a family heirloom. 1. Honda HR-V, the budget hero. The #1 spot goes to the CR-V's little brother. Why? Because it's the most cost-effective way to get 200,000 miles of motoring. The math, 34 miles per gallon on the highway, plus ultra-low insurance costs equals the lowest total cost of ownership in the segment. It's the ultimate buy-it-and-forget-it machine. The bonus, 2 SUVs to avoid the money. Pit #1, Jeep Wrangler. It's iconic, it's cool, and it's a mechanical nightmare. From the death wobble suspension issues to constant electrical gremlins, the Wrangler is a hobby, not a reliable daily driver. It also struggles in crash tests, leading to surprisingly high insurance premiums. The money pit #2, Ford Explorer, 2010 to 2019. On paper, it's the perfect family hauler. In reality, the transmissions are notorious for failing before 100,000 miles. Tack on water pump leaks that can destroy the entire engine, and you're looking at a $5,000 repair bill just waiting to happen.